Everyone in marketing is talking about AI agents, but most people are skipping the most obvious entry point, which is custom GPTs. Before you build flows in Make, N88, or higher devs, you can train your custom GPT with your voice, tone, your strategy, and have it executing your content playbook within minutes. And here's one twist that nobody's really saying aloud. Most marketers talking about AI agents aren't even using one themselves. Actually, I know very few marketers building their own custom GPTs. I'm Victoria Osina. I'm an SEO and AI marketing consultant for the AI search era. In this video, I'll show you how I use custom GPTs to run my agency and produce 50 or more pieces of social media content every week. LinkedIn posts, tweets, YouTube scripts like the one you're seeing now, automated, on brand, and ready to publish. Not generic AI fluff, just clear results powered by custom agents that actually sound like you. And also, just a quick heads up, the rest of the video was recorded during a live webinar I recently gave for Outliers Ventures, which is a top Web3 startup incubator. So if you notice a change of camera, lighting, energy, well, that's why. But the content that you're going to see is still fire. Let's dive in. Everybody in Web3 talking about AI agents. But what I think that a lot of people skip is the minimum basic agent, which is a custom GPT. And a custom GPT is the fastest way to test your prompt, validate your use case, and define your tone, structure, and brand voice. Also, in a custom GPT, it's much easier to prototype functionality than if we put it on Make or N88. It's one of my favorite tools actually to use. And the way we structure the process in my agency is we start with a custom GPT and then we scale it with APIs, and then we move to Make.com, N88, LangChain, or whatever platform you're using for automation. A couple of months ago, I came up with this question. Is there a way I can live, market myself, and have hobbies? Which I think that some of you might feel identified with this. It's really time consuming to do things and then document those things to market yourself. One life to live, one life to create content. I do comedy in my free time, so I produce the content for marketing, for my agency, and then for my comedy stuff. So it means that per week, as a marketer, I'm producing probably 3 to 5 LinkedIn posts, Twitter 5 to 10. I wanted to produce one YouTube video per week. Now I realize that's lunacy. And at some point, I might upload this video to show myself I'm doing something. But in the meantime, it's an aspiration. I have published some of them. I don't want to be mean to myself. I have published some of them, but not once a week. Now, from the YouTube video comes the blog and a Medium post. So around 10 posts per week, right? Just by myself. Then for comedy, I have 2 Instagram accounts, TikTok, and I'm doing like 50 posts per week. And then I perform 2 or 3 nights a week. So I'm really busy and I don't sleep a lot. Now, I have ideas all the time, but I struggle to executions. I ask myself, like, how can I turn these ideas into a formatted content, right? In the fastest way as possible. Because obviously it's not the same to write for Instagram that for Twitter than for LinkedIn. Every single idea has to be translated into each channel. Now, the way that I thought about doing this first was with custom GPTs. And when we train them, we can make them learn from our existing content. And in Web3, it's pretty important to maintain the technical accuracy and terminology, right? So with the custom GPTs, we can do all of these things and integrate across multiple content types. So what this has evolved to is to have dozens of custom GPTs to operate my life and to also help my clients to produce content. For example, if we go to Victoria's LinkedIn, we have my custom GPT that will write like me in a certain format. This is a simple idea. So if I want to write my LinkedIn post, which you know how LinkedIn is, it's like really broad, really, oh, I beat everyone. I'm a man. Everything in LinkedIn basically screams, I am a man. Which kind of man am I? This custom GPT has been trained with my own content and with the most viral templates for LinkedIn. So if I ask it to give me a LinkedIn post from this, it will tell me, okay, I have chose this template, old versus new, and I have my new post ready to go. So if I do another one in Web3, everyone talks about agents, but I don't know. This is actually true. I don't know one marketer
using custom GPTs, and okay, great, it's using the old versus new, but I want another template. And yeah, it will use another template that is uploaded here. Now I have my content for LinkedIn. Actually, everything that I have posted on LinkedIn for the last year and a half has been done in this way. And what is interesting about this custom GPT is when I train it, I have the prompt of who am I, so who you are, the tone, how to use the documents in the database, because as you can see here, it has some of my presentation, so it knows who am I, and it also has these LinkedIn posts. This is a document that has the most viral post, and basically I took a PDF of somebody was saying, these are the most viral posts on LinkedIn. Great. Okay. I stole it and now it's here. So now we have also some customization. I hate that AI sounds like AI, right? So we are avoiding using navigate, delve, harness, also avoiding every sentence within. In the ever-changing world of cryptocurrencies, no, goodbye forever. If you write like that, I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to talk to you if you cannot prompt. So personalization, also UK English, because this is where I live. And yeah, this one is ready to go. I use this one every single day because it writes better than me, basically. So if I want to take this and make a post from Twitter, you can call them here. So instead of copying and pasting, I can say, turn the last post into a tweet. I'm calling this one that again has other formatting, other knowledge base. Actually, it doesn't even have my knowledge base because I don't like Twitter very much. I just took 1,000 tweets from someone and now we blended the voice. So this is the new tweet. So now we have 2 pieces of content ready to go. And this is pretty good, right? Before using this, when I tried to write LinkedIn manually, I remember it used to take me 30 minutes per post. And now I can batch all of these and make a full content calendar in an hour for a month. Also very good that we can talk to it. We can use it on our mobiles. I can go to the gym and talk about the actual problems of Web3 marketing. I found this really useful. And what I also want to show you is something else. People say that AI content is bad. It's not that AI content is bad. It doesn't have to sound like AI. So with these custom prompts, we are avoiding sounding like AI and sounding like everyone else because we want to put some personality into this in the age of generic AI. So that's how I used custom GPTs to automate over 50 social media posts a week across LinkedIn, Twitter, and more. This approach has saved me hours, kept my tone consistent, and helped my clients to escape content without sounding like robots. If you're ready to build your own AI content power engine or want help training a GPT that actually sounds like you, book a free LLM strategy call. The link is below. And if you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, or share it with somebody who's drowning in content creation. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.